Let's make a car dangle using our fun kits on myprettyposhprincess.com. For this project, tools that you may need are scissors, needle nose plier, a lighter, guide wire, which comes in all of our kits, and a 70mm beading needle, which you can also find on our website. To start, I'm going to match up the ends of the cord and then go to the other side. I'm going to attach my guide wire right to that loop and pull my 20mm rhinestone right onto the cord. We'll put a basic knot at the end, and that's going to secure that rhinestone onto our nylon. Immediately after the rhinestone, I want to put the 65mm ring on. The 70mm beading needle comes in very handy for this project because it makes it a lot easier to string everything on. Once the ring is on, you'll want to put your beads for the middle on. After that's nice and tight, you'll use your needle to pull the cord back through the top of the ring. At that point, you will continue to string all of the rest of your design on and tie a basic knot at the top. Once you have that basic knot, you're going to put a clasp onto each of the cords, with the connecting side facing outward. You'll measure to size, tie a basic knot again. That's going to secure those clasps onto the cord, trim, and sear. Find everything you need to make this fun project on myprettyposhprincess.com.